Yo, what's up, guys? Keeping an eye on Tesla and the E-minis here. Tesla trying to retest this 700 level before we're going down here. Pulling up the E-minis. Looks like we hit a high of 33.57. Gonna go lower, possibly. Tesla retesting this 700 before open. Let's see what happens at open. MACD's way below the neutral line on the 15 charts. Rate of change is pretty much neutral. RSI is pretty negative. 4-hour time frame looking like it's gonna head lower. Just depends on how fast it goes lower. Alright, market's opened. Keeping an eye on Tesla. Breaking above the 700 level here. Going on the E-minis here, looking to trade the E-minis. Have a little bit of a downtrend here in the E-minis. What else? There's a little bit of support here, or an uptrend. Let's just keep an eye on this level here. Oh boy. Rate of change pretty neutral. I'm thinking this is gonna go down, but rate of change is neutral right now. Okay, so broke past that support line. MACDs are small time frame. MACD is diverging. Mid time frame MACD is diverging. Big time frame MACD is still red. Even look for a retest up here. This 42 level, 43 level. Looking for a retest for this 43 level. We're gonna go short here. They're gonna go short here. There's 42.25. They're gonna go short here. 42.25. 42.50. Can we get short here? 42.50. Looking for a retest. 42.50. No retest. Alright, we'll just keep watching it then. Pull up Tesla on this quick chart here. Tesla 692. 694. It looks like it's still trying to test that 700 area. See what the E-minis want to do. I want to see it kind of retest this 43 area. Broke that trend line there. Got like a two-handle move down. Now it's consolidating. Probably gonna pop back up here. Pop backs up. If it pops back up, looking to get short potentially. See how the price action reacts to this support turn to resistance. Tesla 696. 5 minute can't seem to close above the 700, but we'll see. Lots of wicks, both ends still relatively flat. 42 couldn't break past there. Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. Okay. Could not break past there. Looking to get short here at the 42 area. Look at trying to get filled there. One contract at the 42 area. Man, can't get filled there at the 42 area. Alright, I'm gonna try to look for a fade on this downward movement here. Looking for it to catch a. Actually, in this 4-hour time frame, looks like it could go. This could be an even bigger move than I thought. Anyways, looking for this. Looking for basically this downward movement to find a bottom. Tesla's still at 697. Trying to break above the 700 area, but nothing's really happening for it. 38. Should have sold market. Should have sold a market contract. Should have known there was no confidence in the upward run. At 30. Wow, that was such a big move. Holy shit. Looking to fade this. Looks like we're slowing down. Looking to fade this, buying it's not quite yet. Tesla breaking above 700 here. Looking for a recovery. 238. For a bounce here on this 338 level. The level. Yeah, Tesla rebounding up to 710 here. Yeah, people are cheering on stock TV. This is gonna break lower. Damn, man, couldn't get filled there at 33.42. That would have been huge for the gaming community. That's brutal. Looking for this to come back up here before I start shorting. Let's check Amazon, see what Amazon's doing. Amazon relatively, actually it's moving a lot, down $12 right now. Let's look for a bounce. Definitely have divergences downward on the bigger time frame MACDs. Might start curving inward though. Rate of change slightly negative. RSI is really oversold. This is looking like a bounce. Bounce up to maybe 36. Nothing really moving Amazon pre-market. Going back to Tesla here. Testing the 710 area. Yeah, there's such a massive sell-off pre-market. I had to bounce a little bit before going down further. Shorted Tesla at 500 and went up to 900, lost like 5-6 grand. Let's see what happened at the 500 level. Bro, 500 was a support level. I mean, if you shorted at maybe like, because I remember I shorted Tesla too, but it was more like 550. 550 down in the 527 area, and if he shorted Tesla at 500 and then when it opened at like 470, he would have made a little bit. I don't know if he did shares or what, but 500 was definitely a big support level once it broke through. Watching Tesla here, rejecting that 710 area so far. Let's go back to the E-mini, see if we have an entry yet. So it looks like we're finding... No, it looks like we're just selling off, bro. Holy crap. Man, didn't get filled there at 42.50. I wanted to get filled at. A little too greedy. Should have put my thing more closer to 42. Definitely would have got filled there. 33. Man, was looking to get short this too. Even said so pre-market. Alright, this is it. This is it. There's gotta be a bounce soon. Looking to capture a bounce here. Looking for this to bottom out, kind of capture a bounce here. Let's see what happened on this 5 tick. Let's see this go down a little bit more. All right, looks like it's kind of bottomed out here. See if it goes lower. Okay, 33. Testing this 33. Continuing lower. Can you go lower below 33, or is this a bottom? Looking like it could go lower here. Rate of change is definitely negative, but I think I can capture a bounce here. Okay. See if we can get a bounce here. See if we get filled here at 34. See if we can get filled here at 34. Yo, fill me up at 34, bro. Bro, the 34. I need to get filled at the 34. Just come down a little bit. Just like a little poop.
Order filled.
Boop. No, don't start going back down. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Go up a little bit. Yeah. 35. Nice. Exit.
Order filled.
Easy clap. Tesla breaking back below. Got one win today so far. 100% win rate as of 43 minutes into the market open. Just one trade though. Let's check out Tesla. It's just like 700 area. It's just like, yo, can I get the 700? They're like, no, can I get the 700? Can I go above 700? They're like, all right, let's retest this 700. Blah, blah, blah. E-minis. Looks like we bottomed out here in the E-minis. Potentially, let's check out Amazon. Yeah, it did go up to that 36 area, like I was saying before. Not too long ago, probably like 5 minutes ago. I was like, yo, it's looking like it's going to retest this 36 area. Touch the 36, maybe like 36 something. Got close. 36.90. Bounce back down. Let's see. Let's check out the E-minis. Go back to the E-minis. 34.50. Boom, got out there on the E-minis. Caught a little bit of a bounce there. Let's see if we can't get filled here. Back down at 34.45. 34.50, I mean. Looking for this to come back down here. Capture a bigger bounce here. See if we can't get filled at this 35 level. See if we can get long again at this 35 level. Let's see if we can't get long again at this 35 level. Alright, getting filled there at the 35 level. Stops at 33.50. Alright, this is looking like a loss. Might hit my stop here. Stops at 33.75. Looking for this to pop back up a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You know you want to go back up. Stops at 33.75. Got stopped out.
Stop filled.
That's alright. No big deal. See if we can't get. Let's see what the movement is. If it's gonna go further down or not. Taking a little bit of a loss there. Okay, so now it's gonna go back up. Okay. I see how it is. See if we can get long here. Maybe at a better entry. What does this look like? Does this look like a Bollinger? Did it catch the Bollinger? Okay. This is. I like this setup. All right, I'm gonna try one more contract long here at 34.50. Potentially, let's see what happens. Let's see what it looks like on the 15. 15 MACDs over there. Rate of change is still very negative. I'm gonna take a chance here. Try to cap here at 34.25. Getting filled there at 34.25. If I get stopped out again, I'm gonna stop trading. Trying to get filled there at 34.25. Got filled there at 34.25. See if this. I'm gonna capture this move up to like maybe 37. Looking for it to kind of hold this 34 area. If I get stopped out here, I'm gonna just take the L out for the day and then stop trading. Thank you. Congrats, Lynn. Thank you for being the #1 subscriber. Getting filled there at 34.25. Looking for this move up to potentially 37. Looking for a move up to this 37 area. We're at 35.50. Woo, baby! 36.25. Can we get up to that 37 level? Have my take profit area at 37.25. Can we get filled here? Can we get... No. You can do it, baby. You can do it. I believe. Can we get up to that? 37.25. 37.25. Come on, let's go, baby. Exit. I'm going to exit there. Looks like it's coming back down. Locking in profit there. Oh man, going right back up to that 37.25. So mad, so mad. Not really. I don't really care. Profit is profit. Good entry there. Green on the day. Tesla still at that 700 level. They're like, yo, baby, what we do? What we do? What the hell is Tesla doing, bro? I'll see how Tesla's doing. I'm gonna close out on my position on Tesla. I'll show you guys on cam here. My current position on Tesla. See how it's doing. Oh, up another. Wow, thank you. So shorted Tesla yesterday at market open. We got, let's see, I just want to pull up the stream real quick so I get to see it. So I got still holding my shorts a little bit. Actually, zero money at risk, took out my initial capital. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's focused, but up 440 on Tesla. Was 300 yesterday. Now it's up to 440. We'll see how Tesla closes. If it keeps going down, you know, we'll hold on to the shorts. Took out initial capital. So it's just house money at this point. Zero money at risk. And we'll see how it goes. This kind of closes at that 665 level I was talking about yesterday. This kind of closes at that 665 level. Breaks past even the 665 level. Going down to that 606 level. Looking at the 606 level. Shorting Tesla here. Holding shorts from yesterday. Up about $440. Looking for Tesla to really just hold below the 700 level for a continuation downward. Got 2 quick scalps on the E-minis today. I mean, 3 scalps, 1 loser, 2 winners. Overall, green on the day. Green on the options account. Green on the futures account. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Keep an eye on the futures here. Looking like this 5 EMA here. It's got to break past that 5 EMA. We're going to get some consolidation for a little bit while longer here before it decides to do anything. I'm leaning more towards my biases that it's probably going to try to retest this 340 area, but it could just continue downward if it can't break past this 5 EMA. Short-term MACD, huge divergence. Mid-term MACD, huge divergence. Big-term MACD, even look like a bigger divergence. Rate of change is slowing down, but still negative. RSI, a little bit oversold there. So maybe we can get a, since the rate of change is slowing down, maybe the MACDs will start curling, start converging. Just really as a confirmation indicator here. So a little oversold. Looking like this might hit this 340 area. Potentially going to get long here at this 36 area. See if we can get long here at 30. Shit. Like 35 something. Can we go below 35? A little bit? Look for a slight downtrend here. Just like just a small little smidge. Can I get filled here? you can sell your puts and rebuy puts after. Why doesn't everyone do that to minimize risk? Because some people want to get that 10K, 10 times your money winner. What I basically did was I sold a further out of the money put to hedge my main one. So I bought the 600 put for $2,200, and I sold the 585 once it moved down a bunch. I basically like legged into a spread. That's moving on without me going up to this 38 area, but sold the 585 contract for the same amount of money. So my initial capital of 2,200 is out of the trade, but I'm still capturing about $300 to $400 profit, and max profit target. Max profit if it closes below 585 at March 20, which is the expiration of the contracts. Then I get a max profit of 1,500. Zero money at risk at this point, but yeah, zero money at risk. Max profit 1,500. Looking like it can't break above this 38 area for now. Might be just pulling back to retest later. This could be a bigger trend change though, not just like a small little bounce here. Overall picture is that this 4-hour kind of like bull trend here is starting to change. Down here in this 4-hour chart, you see in the bottom right corner here. It's kind of risky to do a spread if you can't close. So if you ran out of day trades, say, and you close with a spread, you're still leaving room downward after market. So say it gaps. Say I was shorting and it gaps up the next day, I could still lose potentially another $100. So it's like a synthetic close on the trade. But since I took out all my initial profit because it went in my favor, then it can only go in my favor at this point. Potentially larger time frame trend change. If it can close above this 8 moving average on the 4-hour time, looking good for a further movement down. After that, the kind of area to look at is this Bollinger midline. If we can close below this Bollinger midline on the 4-hour chart, looking like a bigger trend change rather than just like the scalping time frames. That might be the height of the pullback. Height of the pullback up. S&P hits high records before losing gains. Boss seems excited. Yeah, that's what we're trading now. We're trading S&P, but the futures, not the actual index itself. I'm not trading the SPX or SPY. Yeah, I hit it. When did it hit it? I think like 1 in the morning or something like that. Is this in the morning? Yeah, I hit it 1 in the morning. After market, 33.57. Then there was this huge sell-off which we were playing this morning. Only trading one contract though. If I was trading like 3 contracts, would be up triple what I am now, but only traded one contract up about $40. Just trying to keep the size small, keep the emotions out of the way. Hey, $40 a day probably keeps the doctor away, right? Quick 40 bucks. Kind of rejecting this 8 EMA in this 4 hour time frame. I don't even know if people look at the 8 EMA and the large time frames. They're probably looking more at like 20s or something. Yeah, retesting this 340 area. That's kind of like a target we said earlier. Kind of keeping an eye on there. Didn't really get filled at the 36, so no big deal. Can we just get rid of these studies? Remove all studies? Yeah. I just kind of like looking at the price action. Don't really like looking at too many indicators. Kind of breaking above this 340 area. Looking to retest this support line here. This old support line, turn resistance. Might get a bounce here unless it just breaks right past. Needs to break past this 4250 area for it to continue higher. 10 o'clock. See what happens. It's got to go above this next 5 minutes here. Still have 4 more minutes. Keep an eye on this 5 minute chart here. MACD's on all time frames converging. Rate of change kind of stagnating, still negative. RSI is basically neutral, mildly negative. Keep in mind MACDs are still negative even though they're converging, so this could be another expansion, just kind of reset itself for another expansion. Oh. Looks like can't break past this 3250 area so far. We're gonna break this this area here. We're gonna break below. Tesla closing above this 700 area. Tesla closes above 720. Looking to close here. keeping, just want to lock in those $300 minimally. Let's see what oil's doing at. I haven't looked at oil in a while. It's not loading even. Here we go. Thank you, oil. Oil's low. It just keeps selling off. I remember when I was trading it when it was at like 60s. Now it's down to 50s. Low 50s. Rate of change more negative than positive. RSI is very negative. Starting to get convergence at MACDs here. Even a bullish divergence on the bullish MACD. On the short-term MACD, I mean. Keep an eye on the E-minis. Maybe one more entry. Alright, testing out this 4250 area. This candle's closing above. Not closing out above right now. Look like a long here. Let's see what's going on here. 4150. See if we can get filled here at 43.25 here. See if we can get filled here at 43.25. Stops at 41.75.
Order filled.
Getting filled there, 43.25. Stops at 42. Oh my god, am I gonna get stopped out here? Hold this 42. Oh my god. That's poo-poo platter. Trying to trade that breakout here. Looks like it was a fake out. That's alright. No big deal. Like below here. What kind of entry is this looking like? This might be a better entry here. I don't think this is gonna go lower. Maybe we should just let it play out. Keep our hands off the trades. Not sure where I want my profit target to be. If I were to get in here, maybe 48. Let's get rid of these lines here. Well, that line's kind of important. Can't decide if I want to go long or short. It's just consolidating right now. We'll give this about 45 more seconds to give us a direction. Right now I'm kind of leaning towards bullish. MACD's kind of converging there. Rate of change is neutral. Or at least it's going up. Still kind of negative. RSI is neutral. So no indicators there. I'm thinking it's going to go up, but we'll see. Oh, no. Can't hold above this 35, 32 or 42.50. My bad. Then it's probably gonna go down. But if it holds above, then looking like longs here. Okay, so it's a close below. Interesting. Small head and shoulders pattern possibly. Couldn't break above this 42.50, so looking to possibly get short here. Maybe you can do it with this push here. I don't know though. Couldn't close above, what is it, 43? You're instantly rejected the movement above 43. We don't have to take this trade, so let's just sit this one out. $42.50. Tesla going up to 732 here. A little bit of a run up to 72. 732. Keep an eye on the E-minis. Currently above that 42.50 area of interest. I mean, we're kind of, look at this 1 minute time frame, right? So short-term uptrend right here, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Same low, lower high. At the moment. So short-term uptrend. Can't tell if this is going to be a trend change or a continuation. There's definitely consolidation here. $34.50 or $43.50. Okay, this is the move I kind of wanted here. This is the breakout. Okay, see if we can't get filled here. 43.25 again. Looking to get long here. 43.25. See if we can get filled here. Let's move it up to 43.50. See if we can get filled here. 43.50. Stops at 42. We'll let this trade kind of ride out if we get filled. Looking to get filled here. 43.50. So I was leaning towards, like a very slight lean towards the upside. Looks like it's kind of panning out that way. Look for a retest down here. See if we can get filled this 43.25 movement thing lower. See if we can get filled here. Okay, 43.25. If we get stopped out again, I'm done. Done for the day. If we get stopped out again, we'll end the day at a small loss. That's alright. Stops at 42. Looking for a breakout here above this 44, but it looks like we might get stopped out here. That's okay. It's all within our risk tolerance. Looking for this to break above this 44 area, honestly. But not liking this retest downward here. This might be a trend change down here. Yeah, I got stopped out there. Damn, man. Alright, looks like I'm going to end the stream there. Going to head out to work here. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Catch you tomorrow at 9:30.